For a fixed-length double-hook forklift beam, the AT37 series is Tandemloc's standard design. The current designs range from a 30-inch hook spread and 2,000-pound working load limit to a 72-inch hook spread and 10,000-pound working load limit. This is the AT37 A02-030-PA, currently our smallest design for this series. But don't let the size fool you. At 30 inches long and weighing less than 50 pounds, you are still able to lift 2,000 pounds with this forklift beam. Our largest design that we have in stock is the AT37 A10-072-PA. This allows for lifting up to 10,000 pounds and has a hook spread of 72 inches. The AT37 series double hook forklift beams are great for use with bundles and unpalletized cargo. If one of our current designs don't meet the requirements of your application, we can provide a custom designed AT37 forklift beam with a hook spread up to 240 inches and a working load limit maximum of 40,000 pounds. All Tandemloc forklift attachments are designed to meet or exceed ASME B30.20 and are proof tested to 125% of the working load limit. The fork pockets on all our beams are designed to fit the standard forklift tines. They also all incorporate a means to secure the beams to the forklift tines to ensure safe use of the forklift beams. If you want more information about these products, you can visit our website at tandemloc.com. You can also reach us by emailing info@tandemloc.com or calling 1-800-258-7324.